Welcome to another episode of Travel Chef. Well, today we are going to make pork fry. This is a very simple recipe that we can make, and this can be done in a matter of minutes. So let's see how it is done. Come on. To make a pork fry, we have got 1 kilo of pork where we have washed it and cleaned it thrice. To cook our pork, we need to pressure cook it. For that, we place the 1 kilo pork into the pressure cooker. Next, we add half onion that we have chopped and kept aside. Next, we need to add half teaspoon of turmeric, 1.5 teaspoons of coriander powder, half teaspoon of ordinary chili powder, 1 teaspoon of Kashmiri chili powder, quarter teaspoon of pepper, 1 teaspoon of jeera powder, 1 teaspoon of garam masala powder, 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste, 1 teaspoon of salt, curry leaves. Now we need to mix all the ingredients together. Next is to add half glass of water. Now we mix all these ingredients together once again. Now we need to cover the pressure cooker. Place it on a stove. Place the knob. Light the stove. After we light the stove, we need to wait till the whistle sound comes. Now we are waiting for a whistle to come, and it is expected any time. Now we need to lower a stove after we hear the whistle sound, and we need to cook it for 10 minutes. Now it is 10 minutes, and now we need to switch off our pressure cooker and wait for it to cool down. Now we are opening a pressure cooker to check whether our pork is cooked. And it has been some time since our pork has been left for cooling. We need to check if our pork is cooked. Yes, our pork is cooked. Now we need to take it out from the pressure cooker and keep it aside. Since there is excess oil in the pressure cooker, which has come out from the pork, we are straining the pork, and we are placing it aside in a separate vessel. After pressure cooking our pork, we have got excess oil, which will be used for sauteing the rest of the masalas and the other ingredients. Our stove, we light our stove. Now we add 2 big onions that we have chopped. Next we add half teaspoon of salt. We add 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste. As we add the ingredients, we need to stir them together. We have to saute these ingredients on high flame. Please keep this in mind. We continue to saute the onions till they are soft enough, and this is all done on high flame. After which we need to lower the stove to low flame to begin adding the other ingredients. Now our onions are soft. Next we need to lower the flame and then begin to add the other ingredients. The first ingredient to be added is quarter teaspoon of turmeric. Next 1 teaspoon of coriander powder, half teaspoon of ordinary chili powder, 1 teaspoon of Kashmiri chili powder, quarter teaspoon of pepper powder, half teaspoon of jeera powder, half teaspoon of garam masala powder. Then we stir all the ingredients and the masalas together. Turn the stove onto high flame, and we continue to stir until the raw taste of the masalas go away. Raw taste of the masalas have gone away. Now we need to add the pork, the cooked pork. Now we mix the pork and the masalas together. Since there is excess water, we are going to dry it out a bit by cooking it on low flame. Now the excess water is evaporated, and pork fry is ready to be served. We need to switch off the gas stove. And now it can be taken in a separate dish, and this can be served. pork fry can be had with chapatis or with rice, which are an excellent combination. Do try it at home and let us know in the comment section below. We hope you like watching our videos, and we request you to like, share and comment on those videos. This will really help us to improve our programming content and recipe videos. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon for future notifications. Until the next video, stay safe. See you soon. Bye bye.